Welcome home, where every detail matters. This isn't just a house. The sellers consider this their forever home, and it shows in every finish. Life happens, and here it can happen in style. The kitchen is a chef's delight, featuring custom cabinetry, top-of-the-line appliances, a stunning custom backsplash, a large island with breakfast bar, and an oversized nook, perfect for entertaining family and friends. Take the party outside to your backyard oasis, complete with a serene pond view and covered pergola-style canopy. Plenty of room to mingle and enjoy the outdoors. Inside, you'll find Cambria quartz countertops throughout, core-tec luxury vinyl flooring, and custom-built lockers in the mudroom. This home is packed with upgrades designed to make you feel truly welcome. Located in Sienna Reserve, part of the award-winning Southwest Allen County School District, and just minutes from golf courses, shopping, the YMCA, and so much more. This is more than a home. It's where your next chapter begins. Call Christy Baker today to talk about making this your dream home.